Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming iCloud Home and Home settings are enabled on your iPhone or iPad. This ensures ownership and sync. Next, make sure the accessory is powered and within Bluetooth or Wi-Fi range so commands reach it. Open the Home app and locate the accessory by name or room. You need to be a Home admin to remove devices. Once done, long press the tile to reveal controls. This first action exposes the settings you will use to delete the accessory. With the accessory panel open, tap the gear icon or details to access settings. That's where the remove command is hidden. Scroll down and choose Remove Accessory. If it's a hub or camera, you may see Remove Location or additional prompts. Confirm removal when asked. This severs the accessory from your Home and iCloud. Make sure to review scenes and automations next, because deleted devices can break automations. You will need to reassign or delete affected. After confirming removal, close the Home app and restart your iPhone or iPad to force a sync. This clears cached states. If the accessory still appears, power cycle it and perform the manufacturer's reset, then repeat the removal. This clears pairing data. Once removed, rebuild any broken automations and reassign devices. If you hit persistent sync issues, check iCloud status and sign out then back in. That usually fixes lingering entries. Otherwise, reset the accessory before re-adding.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.